In this video, I will show you the improved FSR2 steering wheel by MOZA. In the box, we will find the neatly packaged 280mm Formula steering wheel, which is specially designed for all hardcore Formula One fans. The FSR2 steering wheel has a quad-core processor for the greatest possible performance of its 4.3-inch touchscreen display, with the strength of the steering wheel from MOZA also did not make any compromises. As the entire frame is wrapped in carbon fiber to make it as solid as possible, and in addition to the carbon body, you will find, and on the back of the specially adapted for Formula One, 6 pedal shifters. They consist of 4 Hall sensor magnetic carbon fiber paddles plus 2 Hall sensor magnetic carbon fiber clutches. In addition to the traction, the entire steering wheel is equipped with a total of 10 short travel backlit buttons, 5 rotary encoders, 2 thumb encoders, and also 2 7-way funky switches. The MOZA FSR2 steering wheel has 5 pre-built HUDs from which you can choose. In addition, using the MOZA Pit House software, you can also customize them, because the wheel has a fully customizable UI. Thanks to the MOZA Pit House, you can also use almost any type of telemetry built into the steering wheel itself, be it flag indication or DRS enabled, for example. Now it's time to show you what the wheel is capable of. And for this purpose, I will test it in Assetto Corsa with one of the most realistic Formula One mods, which allows me to use each of the buttons on the wheel as intended, so that I can easily achieve the best possible result on any track without any problems. I hope this video was useful to you and that I was able to share with you all the important features of the MOZA FSR2 wheel. If so, leave me a comment about what you think of it and would you consider to buy it.